It's very cold today. It's really cold today. It's so cold today. It's too cold today. What's the difference between these? I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are going to talk about very adjective, really adjective, so adjective, and to adjective. Let's start with very adjective and really adjective. These mean the same thing. However, in daily conversation, I think that I probably use really adjective more often than I use very adjective. He has a very big house. He has a really big house. Those mean the same thing. It's very cold today. It's really cold today. Those also both mean the same thing. Okay, so how about so adjective? We use so adjective to express emotion or feelings. So if you eat some food and you like the food, you might say, "This food is very good," or "This food is really good." But if you want to show that you are truly enjoying the food and having a great experience, you might say, "This food is so good." Or if you are outside in the cold, you might say, "It's really cold today," or "It's very cold today." But if you want to show that you are truly experiencing this cold weather and you can feel it in your body, you would probably say, "It's so cold today." And finally, how about to adjective? A lot of people think that when we say to adjective, it means that the level makes it bad. The level is so high that it's bad and we don't want it. However, that's not 100% true. To doesn't always mean that something is bad, it just means it's not really appropriate for this situation. And usually that is bad, but not always. So, for example, let's talk about spicy food. I love spicy food. So if someone gives me food and it's spicy, I might say, "This food is wonderful. I love it. It's really spicy." But if the level of spiciness is so high that I cannot eat it or I don't want to eat it, I would probably say, "Sorry, this food is too spicy." And in that situation, yes, we use to express that the situation was kind of bad because I couldn't eat the food. However, sometimes we hear people say things like, "You are too nice," or "You are too kind." And clearly, in that situation, it's not a bad thing. It simply means that your level of kindness is higher than is really appropriate. You don't need to be that kind. You don't need to be that nice. You can be a little bit less kind and I will still like you. So yeah, those are the basic differences between very adjective, really adjective, so adjective, and to adjective. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.